ya no my idea no e ho ye de yo so ho amanchia to amanchia de no ho so watwa so
o so matwa so
sa adwuma wo yi eye machines be na odi yes adwuma
drip machines na me de
drip machines
na me de
na wo use odi
na me use
na nya de na mate se say ade nso so no wo sori a na wo de ama ayi for so de ma illegal miners
na minimum
matibi minim so what de a say so de ma illegal miners
mate kura so ya hu videos nanam na unse se John empanyfo baby o mubu o mese obi a won pewa asem no se osua o kasa obo no hwene na o sawasa so ano ache anapa am say previously na your former drip coordinator ono na me ba na me be pa no so ombo am enya adwuma ndiam se sa ansem na edi kan so se me de ye galamsey no ono na ekutwa no mo ye AI ba mi wa satam na machine no wo sewia kwan so na ye grading
time omo kan say o de akọ site na e wo kwan so
ye adwuma nipa e wo mpatamu nyina ya dansefo okọ mfensi taxi station wa operators e wono mu nyina omo use cars e wo kwan so ya dansefo na e grade kwan no ana na water baza no because of so ho very dusty intina no so de tanka no de akire di nsu gu so e de mamemanfo e wo kwan no so na de wo mu ni e mining company e wono legal mining company e Triple Rocks Mining as part of your social responsibilities all right so I sat down with them say kwan no nye me ba so ne nyina ye nim Ghana say ye need allocation for drip machines and you know how to work it's up to you the leader how to maneuver your way and talk to your people so they supported with fuel the mining company no
support him with fuel
and because the machine was working on that stretch abrebia no mo pon adwuma they go and pack the machines at the municipal at the mining site so don't tini abrebi on be pon adwuma bia because of say company ni fuel machines no mo de ye adwuma ntino o pon na o makọ pack no se na be ya de che a obaji fuel from the pump or mining site on
okay
so that is why I go take pictures say me de ama omahan and I don't know mining site no grader na water baza de adwuma na mining yenim say omu machines omu use omo de mining excavators and the regional drip coordinator can assert to say we at the district level we don't have excavator
I say matise ni nyina no
this all be requested
now omo de amount
yeah from RCC
our request so I will chira
adwuma we and it comes with its own operators and you know the operator go use that machine and I quite remember my first time I be request be no was dredging and me until last year and zoo to amfa obia abakomadi and housing and no na me de gokoye me wie the machine return back to RCC and inti and America no your mofra no bi wo no ma afutu a me de be mo no se omunya abotre woni panyimu na na ope bibi opanyin no na wonsa nyanka ya enye din seye and about drip machine am say na sense machine hu videos bi a Emran TV de nam eka ho asem in fact after say yi coordinator no say hu say ono mum na na share chiri project sa agenda against me no say we no opanyin ye adwuma na utimu ekutwa sa antro we to opanyin so na say you are not ready to work with the leadership and ma assembly ni tanase and I revoke an appointment oba officer me coordinating director e dey na letter man no chire mu say wakanya wie dey but onje but God being so good no uni any appointment letter from the national yen the municipal na appoint o and I dey IG afutua oka enti say ye decide say ye no nya adwuma na say wonya
also waje
wakanya wie onye letter no fanko
the war brand the overbroka
minua no onto no bo senka o ya ade bi ade minim ni se o ya ade tia panyini na ho asem sori a nka de ye enuhu no anu na nka ade dwato a e de aba so e bi a we ni we ntina ma me di se adwuma no efi na kwanko so bi mu na emum he keep on doing the western e ho no ma machines no sɛ assembly na nkasa na de yɛ adwuma yɛwɔ 2 stages ɛno yɛde yɛ IGF na ɛyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ main stretch ne communities no street mu. But we sat down in a management meeting sɛ machines ne ntimu ngu hɔ abra yɛ manfoɔ so hia sɛ ɔmo kwan yɛtimi yɛ nsisi
ebi mu de da so a ɔma pack da so
ɛno nti no what we agree me ne assembly members ne management we agree on sɛ obi mantamufoɔ bi ɛpɛ sɛ ɔmo hia machine de kɔyɛ adwuma ɔmo to fuel a machine yɛ bɛ release ayɛ den ama ɔmo na ɔmo atua biribi like maintenance fee ɛde ato akyiri bɛyɛ 1,000 anaasɛ 2,000 because yɛ nyina nim sɛ ɔkwan grade a is over 8,000 but assembly no atake huge steps ɛwɔ ho sɛ because of sɛ yɛa ne yɛde boaboa ho nti no biribi kakra bi a wɔde bɛto akyiri for maintenance sake no na wɔde aba bɛto akyiri na yɛde machine no ama the then drip coordinator knew this because he was part of that meeting,
that arrangement.
And inti after say assembly no eyi no ɛna ɔno no down no dua broni Akoma nkrofo bi sika sɛ ɔmo han machine no with 2,500 cedi including fuel, the operator's shop money and maintenance cost and machine a ɛde machine no roller no a low bed no nko no pick roller no from the municipal the bus site or yeah adwuma no de ko 1,500. So how can you use 2,500 to rent that machine, including fuel and chop money?
I see.